This is Pastor Bruce. This is the part 2 of our explanation about the Transfiguration from the book of Matthew chapter 17. In our part 1, we had already discussed verse 1 and 2, and we are now going to continue with verse 3 and 4. I'll read verse 3, and it says, "And behold, there appeared unto them Moses and Elias talking with him. Now, things are getting even more exciting for Peter, James, and John. After Jesus has been transfigured, transformed into an angelic being, and we confirmed that can only happen to God's priest. Remember, God's priest is an ambassador representing him here on earth. And so he clothes his priest with his own glory. Now in these first 3, they are appearing Moses and Elias, and they are talking with him, a language only they do know and can share. Now there is a very good clue. Imagine when it comes to doctors walk and talk among themselves. Why? Because they have shared knowledge and shared understanding. When we come to lawyers talk and walk among themselves because of a similar reasoning. They have shared understanding and shared knowledge. Now what about in this scenario? If Moses and Elias are appearing unto Jesus and they are talking with him, it means that they have shared understanding, shared knowledge about the priesthood. So you are correct when you say that Moses and Elias have priestly roles also in this scenario. Moses, Elias, and Jesus are ambassadors representing God here on earth. This is a simple explanation for that verse. Then verse 4 says, "And answered Peter, and said unto Jesus, Lord, it is good for us to be here. If you will, let us make here 3 tabernacles, one for thee, and one for Moses, and one for Elias." Now Peter has become overly excited, and he is excited because they are the first-hand witnesses, together with James and John, concerning the intentions of God over his priest office. So they are overly excited. Now, he is suggesting that each of these high priests deserves a tabernacle. So he recognizes that every one of them, Moses, Elias, and including Jesus, have priestly capacity to oversee a tabernacle. And that's why he's suggesting that they need to build tabernacles for each one of them. You see, Peter is overexcited and is not letting everything be revealed before he comes into his own conclusions. But the next verse is going to give out now the true and the in-depth meaning of all that is happening at this point. This is the part 2 of our explanation about the Transfiguration. We have a new YouTube channel, Apostles from Africa Outreach. Get in-depth meanings of various Bible verses. Faith comes through learning. Thank you. Be blessed.